Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off Twitter sensitive content settings. Often, the content shown on Twitter can be marked as sensitive, but some users want to enjoy their feeds with unrestricted views. So, that's why we will learn how to turn off sensitive content on Twitter. Sensitive content is often hidden by default from searches on Twitter. We can also change it from the settings if you are someone who wishes to surf sensitive content. Turning off the sensitive content is currently only available for the Android app. Open the Twitter app on your Android device. Click on your profile picture in the sidebar menu on the top left. Tap on the Settings and Support option and select the Settings and Privacy option. Now, tap on the Privacy and Safety option, and then tap on Content You See. The display media that may contain sensitive content will appear. Toggle it on. And that's all. Twitter restricts this media by default with messages like, "This media may include sensitive information, and the following media contains potentially sensitive content." These warning labels are for content containing extreme violence or nudity that might disturb the users. Although Twitter's sensitive media policy is much more relaxed than Facebook's, it only displays this warning when the content posted is either too gore or depicts any sort of sexual violence. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.